right, camping. And let's see how quickly we can get this fire started. I've left a little piece of birch bark sticking out underneath the bottom. I use the beer box as a base, and I've got a lot of this old man's beard and some cedar, which burns really quick, splits nicely. I got that really small at the bottom, bigger pieces on the top, and then the biggest pieces on the very top. Start small at the bottom and put all your stuff that burns real well right at the bottom. So let's see how quick this goes up. See how that works? That's what, about 4 seconds? Instant campfire, folks. There's no gasoline on there. There's no accelerants whatsoever. That was just straight wood, a little bit of paper for the cardboard box there for a base. But that's a fire. See how you can cook on that. There you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed that.